Hi, Palmview Elementary School students. This is Laura, or as you call me, Miss Laura for pre-K. I wanted to share with you, Mom and Dad, whoever is helping with your child, how to navigate on Schoology. So as you can see here, my mouse is covering this tile here, and it says Language Therapy PK to fifth grade. Please do ignore the Stewart Elementary School label, as this is focused for Palmview Elementary School students. So within this, I have pre-K folder, and you're going to click on here. And there is a getting started folder, which I would like you to review first. And here's a letter to share my information and explaining, the reason why we are doing virtual, obviously because of what is happening here. And, it's quite a different doing teaching online versus seeing the children every day, every week. So you can take a look at this, and this has my times that I'm available and my information. So I'm going to close this out and press next. And next you have some prepositions. And on this activity, I've created a PowerPoint. And parents, when you open this up, I want you to click on the slideshow area, and let me just kind of drag my screen up here. You can see this little icon. You click on this to start from the beginning, so it's a show. And let me slide the screen down so you can see the whole thing. And you're going to use your arrow button to navigate. So the cat is on the bench. Where is the cat? The cat is on the bench. There's our cat. The cat is in the box. The cat is in the box. There's another cat in the box. Under. Where is the cat? The cat is under the table. And I put some children there because I know some of my little kiddos in that class loves to hide under the table. So here's our table, and here's the cat. The cat is under the table. Where is the cat? So here, parents, I want you to encourage your child to point to the right picture. So which picture shows the word that matches, which word matches the picture? So where is the cat? Is the cat on the box? Is the cat under the box? Is the cat in the box? Yes, the cat's in the box. Where is the cat? The cat is under the bench. Is the cat on the bench? Is the cat in the bench? Yes, the cat is on the bench. Where is the cat? Is the cat on the table? Is the cat in the table? And is the cat under the table? Yes, the cat is under the table. Next to, where is the cat? The cat is next to the table. Where is the cat? Is it next to? Is it on the table? Is it under the table? Yes, the cat is next to the table. Great job! You did it. So if you like to practice this, you can practice this again. I'm going to close this out, and I'm going to go back to our next activity. So this is going to give you a link, and I'm going to show you my class, and this is my name. So here on the password to sign into Boom Cards, you're going to always want to click on dog and cat and sign in. And here, for some reason, this is not showing up. Let's see, I will actually show you on Boom Cards. Here we go. So here you're going to find some assignments. Let me just click on this one. Sign in. So, hold Okay, so here we have some activities that I want for the children to practice and exercise. So here we have small, medium, and large, and we're sorting by size. So we have medium, small, and large. Which one is small? So you click and drag. There's a small snail. Make sure you're thinking about your S sounds. Small snail. And this is the medium one. Medium snail. Make sure you hear your blowy sound. And then we have a large snail, or another word would be big. Oh, here we have 3 different lions, and now we're going to put them in size order. So we have large, medium, or small. Small. Which one is the smallest? This one or this one? Oh, nope. This one. Medium or large? Which one is bigger? This one or this one? This one. This one is large. So this one is medium. We have fish. We have small, big, and medium. Or we can say large. Which one is medium size? Is it this one or this one? Here we have small and large. Which one matches small and large? Oh, nope. This one is small and this one is large. Good job. Okay. So we're going to cancel out of that and we're going to do under the water building. So this is just fun for the little kiddos to exercise their prepositions. So we could say that the dolphin is next to the leaf, the coral reefs. The octopus is under the coral reefs. The turtle is on the ground. The seahorse is on the turtle. The shark is next to the turtle. The whale is under the turtle. And you can play around with that. So we have seahorse, yellow seahorse, gray shark, blue whale, blue dolphin, green octopus, and green turtle. And you can play around with these. Which one goes slow? A turtle is slow. Which one swims fast? A seahorse moves fast. Which one is big? The whale is big. Which one can jump high? The dolphin can jump high. Which one has many legs? The octopus has many legs. Which one has sharp teeth? The shark has sharp teeth. So these are some exercises you can describe the animals and just move them around. And as you can see, these are some other activities that you can work on. So going back to Schoology, we're going to click the next tab. And we have some speech sounds. So within the week 1 activities, there are some speech sounds that are allocated to each child, and you will know based on the initials of the first and last. It is expected for them to look at the pictures and say the sounds correctly with their on the page 3 times. So there's 2 different folders for 3 different children, and then there will be a link for a virtual dice so they can just like spin it if they want to for fun. And then we have our prepositions questions, which is related to the PowerPoint at the top for the first activity, and simply just answer true or false if you answered the prepositions, and how many out of the 4 questions did they get right. And I'm going to go back to my week 1 activities. And then you have your speech sounds here. Did you practice them 3 times each? Yes or no? So I hope that this all works out well for you. If you have any questions, you know how to reach me. I have it all on the Getting Started folder in the first folder here in the pre-K folder. And it's a yellow file. And then within this file, you'll continue to see folders added as the weeks progress. I hope you are all well and safe, and I hope to see you sooner than later. Take care.